time on here.
All right, just for fun, it is July 6th, and I'm recording this one more time. I'm going to do the math and find out where you are talking on Simplex tonight. Did I lose Steve?
The waterway South Road here in South Stewart, Port Salerno.
Oh no, it's fading.
I can hear that bloop bloop. That's somebody keying up. It's got a radio. Tack. Still got. Damon, you going away out there? Can you hear me?
No, I hear you fine. I did lose Steve though.
He should come back because he's hit me pretty hard.